Is your garage door in the Albion Park Rail area taking too long to open or close? A slow response time isn't just an inconvenience. It can indicate underlying issues with the opener or other mechanical problems that need immediate attention. Don't let a sluggish garage door slow down your day or compromise your security. Act now. Call 0409 774 111 to have your garage door assessed and repaired by our team of qualified professionals. We're committed to providing fast, reliable service to ensure your garage door operates smoothly and efficiently. Don't wait. Get your garage door fixed today.